Okay, hello and welcome, Chris here, and welcome to AI Infinite. And in this video, we're going to walk through the process of creating an app using the AI Infinite software. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to recreate AI commissions, which is currently, I think, one of the top 5 or top 10 selling apps on Warrior Plus. So it's sold well over 1,000 units, approaching 2,000 units. We're actually going to use the done for you AI spreadsheet, which is one of the upgrades. If you've not picked that up, I highly recommend you pick that up. We're going to use some of those prompts to basically recreate AI commissions. So, pretty crazy stuff. Now, luckily, the interface is hopefully quite simple to use. You will purchase with Warrior Plus, and you will then be redirected to the page. This is on the members page. On this page, there will be a link you can click on under step 2, I believe, under the remixable AI banner, which I highly recommend you get hold of. So click on the step 2 link, create your account, and please do so using the email address you purchased with on Warrior Plus to ensure that your account stays active. If you need to use a different email, be sure to email us at the support email at the bottom of this page. And then once you've done that, you will be logged into a page that looks like this. And of course, it's a very simple page where you can create our AI app. We can manage our apps, and we can access training and upgrade. And so what we'll want to do is to click on create new app, and you'll be redirected to a page that looks like this. The app name is very simply used for the title that will appear on all your pages right at the top, where the browser tab is. Other than that, it currently doesn't serve any functional purpose. The logo is basically going to appear here, or in the case of the app that we're going to recreate here, it's going to appear somewhere like at the top left. In terms of the logo, what we do recommend you do is to check out our Canva logo templates, which you can access under step 3 on the page. So just click on that and go there. And then you'll just want to export your logo and import it into AI Infinite. And then once you've done that, you can basically choose a URL slug. So this is the sign up link that your app will appear under. So it's going to appear under, I think we've changed the domain now, so it's not going to be AI members. It will be something like runaiapp.com. And then what you enter here, you'll want to click on check to make sure that no one else has used that particular slug. And then basically, once we've done that kind of basic setup, the next thing that we want to do is to start to enter the information about our app. And so to kind of explain what each of these fields mean, what I've done is I've basically entered one of the prompts that we used for AI commissions, which is the first one, create email swipe. And you can see that this is the title. This is where the title appears. This is the kind of app that you're going to create. Okay, so this is the title. So if I go back here, you'll see that that is create email swipe. The description is basically going to appear here, just in the second column. The paste text from site is what is going to appear under text title. And then the prompt template, which is really the main event, is what is going to be the API call, which is sent to ChatGPT, and which will basically determine what the app does. And so this is kind of the main event. Okay. Now, a couple of points regarding this. The first thing is that you will want to make sure your app is dynamic so that the user has some control over precisely what the prompt does. And so in the case of AI commissions, the idea here was that we had a prompt which directs GPT to create a really powerful email. But what we also do is we allow the user to enter some text about the sales page, the affiliate program, the sales letter, the website that they want to promote. And so the prompt will basically look something like, hey GPT, here's a lot of information about writing an email. Here's how you write a really good email. Now do so for this particular site. And this particular site part is determined by entering text with these square brackets on either side. Okay, so somewhere within your prompt you will want to basically enter that. So it will probably say something along the lines of, I want you to write an email about a website. Here is some information about the website. And then it will say text, and then you will continue with the rest of the prompt. So it's very important that you enter that to ensure that that the prompts are generated dynamically based on the user input. And in this case, it's paste text from site, and that's basically what this field does. So this field that the user enters will replace the text with those square brackets, okay? And then lastly, we have the text title, which I've mentioned just kind of appears in small characters under here. And then what will happen is you will scroll down, you will complete this for all of the prompts. And by the way, if you want to recreate AI commissions entirely, then be sure to get hold of Done For You AI, Done For You AI Infinite, because that is going to give you various, dozens and dozens of some of my most profitable prompts that you can literally just copy and paste direct into these to kind of mix and match, create your own template. So once you've done that, you will just click on build app. It will then build your app and give you a sign up link, which will appear on the My Apps page. And then from that point on, you can literally go ahead and start to sell these apps. You can give them away as bonuses. And of course, you can also use them for your own personal use. One of the great things that I've seen in giving demo access out to this is the first thing that people do is they start building these apps for themselves, okay? Because this is so exciting, this is so new that, anyone can create these AI-powered, ChatGPT-powered apps. And so people start loading in their own prompt packs. They instantly become creative and they instantly start getting value themselves. And I think that's a great way, a great foundation to start getting the best with this particular tool. And once you've done that, of course, you can start to think more seriously about, okay, how can I monetize this? What kind of bonuses can I create for affiliate promos? What kind of apps can I create to sell? And by the way, you'll definitely want to check out the Done For You AI prompt pack. And you'll also, by the way, want to get those Canva logos, and you'll also most definitely want to get hold of Remixable AI, which you can do by clicking on this banner. And that's just going to give you the software that I use to create all of my pages. I use it to create all of my videos. I use it to create my voiceovers. I use it to do every aspect of the marketing. And of course, once you strip away the marketing, the only things that are left then are the traffic, which I also teach within Remixable, and also the product creation, which of course I do teach in Remixable, but equally has now been heavily automated by AI Infinite. So I think that covers it, guys. This is a product that I'm very likely going to continue to update. A lot of my top JVs have got access to this and are kind of already pestering me with updates and bugs and tweaks and things like that. So this is something that is going to be, heavily used by a lot of people. So keep your eye out for those updates. Be sure to whitelist my email. And, welcome and congratulations. You've made a very, very wise decision. And I look forward to seeing the type of apps that you build using AI Infinite. So thank you and congratulations. And I'll see you guys in the next training video. Cheers.